Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Cullivan. We are starting a new unit in reading. We are on Unit 3, and this is week 1. So we have lots of new vocabulary words to learn that I'm going to show you today. Here we go. The first vocabulary word is cloud. A cloud is a big mass of tiny drops of water floating up there in the air. I bet you didn't know that there's water up in those clouds. The clouds look fluffy and light, but they're actually lots and lots of little drops of water. The next one is lake. Can you say lake? Good. A lake is a large body of water that has land all around it. So you can see this big body of water. All the blue is the water, and there's land all around it. Everywhere you look, there's land. We can go fishing for trout in a lake if we wanted to. Our next vocabulary word is ocean. Can you say ocean? The ocean is the salt water that covers almost the whole earth. Most of the earth's surface is covered in salt water, and those are the oceans. The Earth's ocean can be seen all the way from outer space. Our next word is rain. Can you say rain? Rain is the drops of water that fall from the sky, right from the clouds. They build up and then they fall down. This umbrella protects her from the rain. Our next one, sky. Can you say sky? The sky is the space above the earth where you find the sun, the clouds, and the stars. The sky looks cloudy, but bright. Lots of clouds in that sky, but it's still a nice bright blue color. Next word is problem. Can you say problem? A problem is a situation where something is wrong or unknown and it needs to be fixed or solved. A lot of stories that we read have a problem that needs to be solved. We're going to be working on that. All right. Our next word is solution. Can you say solution? Solution? Solution. Good job. A story's plot is built around a problem, and the characters try to solve the problem. The way they solve the problem is the solution. Solution. It's the way that they solve a problem or they deal with a difficult situation. A solution is something that solves a problem. So here you can see there was a lost dog. That is a problem if your doggie is lost. And how did they solve it? They put up some signs and look, he found his dog. Solution. Solution. You can see at the end of the word solution, there are these letters T-I-O-N. Kind of interesting because T-I-O-N sounds like shun. It doesn't look like shun, but it sounds like shun. There are lots of words out there that have T-I-O-N. And when you see those letters together, you want to make the sound shun, like in the word solution, direction, combination, caption, celebration, question. They all end in the shun, T-I-O-N. All right. Can you use solution in a sentence? If you have a partner near you, you can share it with your partner or just think about it in your head. Maybe you could say, the solution to my problem was blank. Think of a sentence using the word solution. I'm going to think about one right now. Oh, I have one. I found the solution to the math problem. So I had a math problem and I got the answer. The answer to the math problem is also called the solution. If you can't find a pencil, is that a solution? Yes or no? If you can't find your pencil, Give me a thumbs up if that's a solution, or give me a thumbs down if that's not a solution. If you can't find your pencil, is that a solution? No, it's not. That's a problem. If you can't find your pencil, that's a problem. What would the solution be? If your friend gave you one, yes, that's the solution to the problem. Good job. All right, now we finished up with our vocabulary words for today, but let's talk a little bit about grammar since I have your attention and you're doing such a good job. We've talked about nouns, which are persons, places, and things, people, places, and things. We've talked about verbs, which are action words. And this week, we're going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. So any word that can describe a person, describe a place, or describe a thing is going to be an adjective. And adjectives are very important in your writing, boys and girls, because that makes your writing more interesting. If you just say, I saw a boy, that's an okay sentence. But if you say, I saw a tall, chubby boy, then that word tall and chubby describe the boy. So now you can picture what he looks like a little bit better. An adjective can tell you what something is like. So you could say, the day is cloudy. Now, cloudy tells me what the day's like. Or soft rain falls from the sky. So you know it's not raining very hard, is it? It's just falling softly. So soft would be the adjective. An adjective could tell you about the size or the color or the shape of something. The big lake is gray. Describing word big and gray both describe the lake. Now you know it looks like a big lake and it looks kind of gray. Or flat clouds fill the sky. Flat clouds. Can you picture those? They're kind of just skinny and flat. Instead of just saying clouds fill the sky, you could say flat clouds fill the sky. And now you can picture it a little bit better in your mind. Adjectives can also tell you how many or how much. So number words, like I see 3 people fishing. 3 is an adjective. It's describing the people. It's telling you how many are there. They don't mind a little rain. Little is a describing word because it's just telling you it's a little bit of rain. It's not a bad storm. All right. So let's look at this and see if you can find the adjectives. Let's do this first sentence right here. Miss Colvin's going to underline it yellow so you can see. It says the wild panther sprinted through the jungle. Where's the describing words in there? The wild panther sprinted through the jungle. Do you know? I do. Wild. Wild is describing the panther because now you know that this is a wild panther. All right, let's go with red this time. Here's the next sentence. Lily wore her new sparkly collar. Where's the adjective in that sentence, boys and girls? Lily wore her new sparkly collar. Huh, there's 2 adjectives in that one, boys and girls. Do you know what they are? I do. New and sparkly. Those describe the collar. Now you know this collar is new and you know the collar is sparkly. All right, underline this sentence blue. The noisy children were playing games. Where's the describing word in that one, boys and girls? Noisy. Noisy describes the children. All right, very good. My handsome nephew just turned 2 years old. 2 adjectives in that one, boys and girls. 2 adjectives. My handsome nephew just turned 2 years old. Do you know what they are? Handsome, right? Because handsome describes the nephew. And 2. How many years? 2 years. It describes the years. Good. Our last one for today, boys and girls. The angry wolf growled at the little bear. There's 2 in that one. Can you find them? The angry wolf growled at the little bear. angry, and little. Very good. The angry wolf growled at the little bear. What was the wolf like? He was angry. What was the bear like? He was little. Very good. Think about adjectives for me, boys and girls, when you're reading today. See if you can find some in your reading. And tomorrow, see if you can add some to your writing. See you soon.